Well, hello there. Thank you for tuning into this video. I'm really excited for this video because this time I'll be letting 7 of my friends, and let me emphasize 7 of my guy friends, to style me up for a whole week. So one guy, one day, one outfit, head to toe. And I'm really excited and intrigued, if I may say so, because let me tell you all that I never let anyone style me. So this will be very new for me to let somebody else style me, and that too these fashion icons. And let's see what these guys come up with. I won't say that I'm nervous, but I would say that I'm a bit on the fence, like what will be the outcome of this, like how is it going to turn out. I'm really intrigued to know all that, and I'm sure you are too. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So it's day one, and I'm really excited to start this series with this particular person because he's not just a friend, but actually he happens to be my cousin. So let's give Ayushman a call.
Hello.
Hi. So पहले I'll show you all the tops, फिर bottoms दिखा देती हूँ, फिर footwears दिखा देती हूँ, ठीक है? फिर ये एक टी शर्ट, ये भी लॉन्ग है
लूज है ये, लूज।
हाँ, एक्सेल साइज है।
बैगी जीन्स है तुम्हारे पास कोई? एंड वी नीड फिर वाइट स्नीकर्स।
वाइट वाले तो नहीं है, ये है, सिल्वर है।
हाँ चल जाएंगे। और लाइट पिंक लेंस वाले कोई सनग्लासेस टाइप में, जो मैंने अब लुक सोच लिया है।
हाँ।
वो कम्फी लुक,
हाँ।
प्लस रगेड थोड़ा सा।
This whole outfit just screams comfort at the loudest. Now let's call my mom in and see what she thinks about it.
It's very cool, comfortable.
So how much would you rate it?
9, because
Oh,
the
nice.
purpose of this outfit
Huh.
was to be comfortable.
Okay, so now I'm going to call Harmeet. Let's give him a call. Hi. Okay.
तेरी बीवी का।
Oh, हाँ, nice. Okay, so we'll start it.
ये जैकेट भी अच्छा जैकेट भी।
Ripped jeans है।
इसके साथ ज़्यादा अच्छा जाएगा इसका। रगड़ सी फील है ना, रगड़ और उसका कलर भी वैसा। फुटवेयर में शूज ग्रे वाले, ये वाला ब्लैक ऊपर वाला।
ये ठीक है, तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है कैसा निकल के आएगा आउटफिट?
कैजुअल फंकी टाइप थोड़ा रहेगा।
I have to say I'm damn impressed. I did not think that he'll come up with such a cohesive outfit. The ripped jeans with this sort of military shirt, it just goes together. The whole vibe, the whole feel is on point.
I think outfit तो अच्छा है, simple है, smart है, good looking है. Out of 10 I will give you 8.
8 is a good score.
Yeah,
Nice.
why not?
Hello, so today's victim is Mr. Gaurav, and let me tell you guys that Gaurav is an amazing guitarist, and he's always posting these jamming sessions. So if that is something you might be interested in, make sure that you check out his Instagram handle. Okay, let's begin. Let's call him. Hi.
Hello, I had something in my mind, like
Okay.
what is the most expensive looking thing you have? Like it looks expensive.
Okay.
There's one yellow and something in the this one definitely.
Okay. This.
Thing on this thing. Yep.
So I have these hoops.
Combination kind of gives you a vibe of cruise,
Hmm.
kind of a vacation
True.
along beach side.
Which we won't be getting for a very long time now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those colors really pop out for a vacation kind of.
Okay.
So yeah, that was kind of feel I was going to go.
Okay, so I'll quickly go change and then let's see how it turns out. So this is the outfit that was styled by Gaurav, and it's interesting. To be honest, this is something that I wouldn't have put together myself, but that is the whole point of this, you can call it experiment, to see your own wardrobe being put together by somebody else.
I think color combination is nice. Dress pattern is also lovely. I will rate it 7.
Okay, so a 7 on 10. Cool. So today's stylist is going to be Sunny, and I am really excited for this particular one because Sunny and I, we have studied apparel designing together. So I know that he knows the concept of body type and what looks good on what. So I have really high expectations with him. Let's see what he has to offer. Hi Sunny.
Just show me the white one, the one with the dots. What color are the dots?
Those are black.
Then just take this one.
This one?
The high-waisted one. Show me this black one here.
This?
What about those boots that you had? You got those Chelsea
Yes,
boots from
yes,
Scotland?
yes. Just give me a second, I'll look for them. Are you talking about these?
Yeah. You just like tuck the shirt in,
Okay.
tuck it in, because the
Okay.
pants are probably high-waisted, so it'll give you that length. This pole one, the one with poles. Yeah. Are these earrings next to it? Yeah, perfect. And have maybe like a messy bun, sort of like a top knot bun. You can try maybe like a subtle nude lip and then like heavy on the blush.
That trendy ego. That trendy.
Yeah.
Okay.
You get it. You've always worn a lot of color.
Yes.
Yeah, so these are like very classic pieces, no? So I feel like you can really pull it off.
Okay, so this outfit has been styled by Sunny, and guys, I'll have to say I really like how this whole look has turned out. I'm just really liking how the pole detailing and the silver hardwares are going in together with the boot. What do you think? कैसा निकल गया है?
Very, very classic. I will rate this dress 9.5.
9.5 on 10.
9.5.
Damn, Sunny, that's nice. Okay, so today is day 5. Oh, we are already like more than half the way through. That's amazing. So today's stylist is going to be Nilotpal. We both ended up going to the same university in UK, and then we traveled to all these amazing places, and now we share memes on regular basis. And also let me tell you that Nilotpal has a background in textiles, so again I know that he has a very good understanding of design, and also I'm really expecting nothing but the best from him. Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Okay, with the black high-waisted denim. What about footwears?
Do you have something even bigger than that, like board boots?
So I have these.
Do you have one of those like big chunky bracelet thing? If I had to, I would say wear every single one of them. Like I'm imagining a very,
Maximalism kind of a thing.
Yeah. Something that looks like you don't want to mess with this person, but on the other hand, it also looks like, damn, that's a good look. Like say, in Hollywood movies, how a villain that someone would look up to might dress like.
It gives me such Lara Croft vibes, and just the overall thought process of it, how he wanted to go for that maximalism feel with rings and everything.
It gives vibes of some powerful thing like army men. I will rate it 9.5.
9.5.
Yeah.
That's really good. Welcome to day 6, and today we are going to call Ganesh, who is also known as Ganya. So let's give him a call. कैसी आए? स्पेगेटी टॉप, इसमें पूरे में साइड में ये वाली डिटेल है, ये वाले नी हाई बूट्स. ये if you know anything by now, you can tell that this is something that is right up my alley. Yes, I absolutely love this outfit. This is something that I would wear on any normal day. Okay, mummy, so what do you think about it?
I think this dress is very nice. They wear boots, jeans,
हाँ,
and short
पूरा ऐसे cowboy vibes हैं.
vibes. I will rate it 9.5.
Oh, 9.5.
Yeah.
That's nice. Okay. So we have finally made it to day 7 of this whole process, and the last stylist is going to be Saurabh. So let's give him a call. Hello.
Hello.
These two are
This was
for
nice.
military print wala. This one?
That's like an olive green, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Okay. इसको साइड में रख. ठीक है. What I think you should wear, like as a comfortable clothing, is a plain T-shirt, which is like a basic color, like black or white or grey, and pair it up with like a plain denim. If you have like a simple wash denim or maybe rip.
I have this.
Yeah, this works fine. This is perfect. तो वो जो military वाला shirt है ना, what you can do is you can just wear it like a jacket, sort of unbuttoned it but rolled up. If you have a plain Snickers or something, use the grey. If you have a nice like a Wayfarer or something.
And you these?
Oh, the first one is nice. I think सही है ना ये, because it's like the basic essentials, नहीं? Casual outing, maybe if you're going out for a drive or something.
I just freaking love this styling. It's simple, it's chic, it's effortless. So mom, what do you think?
I think this outfit is very comfortable, and you are again wearing that jacket.
Yeah, this is the third time now.
I will rate it 8.
8?
Yeah.
Okay. So that was such a fun exercise to do. These guys absolutely killed it. They did way better than I thought. And what do you guys think about it? Whose outfit did you like the best? Comment it down below. I really want to know. And I really like the fact that how 3 of them picked up the same shirt, jacket, whatever you call it, to style it in their taste. I mean, that was the whole idea and the whole concept behind this video, to let somebody else use the existing pieces from my wardrobe and then style it in their own way. So I think this turned out to be a huge success, and I would encourage you all to invite your friends, not at your home, please maintain the social distancing norms, to style pieces from your wardrobe for you. You'll be surprised. You haven't really utilized the full potential of your wardrobe yet. And if you do it, then please click a photo, and if you post it, do tag me. I really want to see how your exercise turned out. And yes, with that I sign off. I will see you guys soon in the next video. Until then, bye.